Now, the SAT does give us that reference chart full of lots of formulas, and we could use it here. The formula we need is given to us in the reference chart, but I really hope that you know that the area of a rectangle is length times width. That is a formula you're just going to need for the rest of your life. You should know that, and you use it all the time when you're hanging a picture and trying to find the frame for the picture. You're thinking about the size of a television, the place you can put your couch. Lots of things that are just normal everyday things are based on the area of a rectangle. So you should know that. And so this question isn't really hard at all. A rectangle has a length of 64 inches, so we can substitute that in, and a width of 32 inches. What is the area, right? So there's no twist here. I really don't know why this question is so late in the section, right? It's 18 out of 22. It feels like it should be really, really hard. Literally, it's just taking your calculator and multiplying 64 times 32, and that gives us an area of 2,048. That's it. That's the whole thing. If they asked us if they maybe gave us the area and then asked us to work backwards to find the length or the width, I'd be like, okay, maybe that's a little bit harder, but yeah, there's literally nothing to this. So I don't know. I don't know what could possibly go wrong here. If you did get this wrong, please let me know. What'd you do? I'm curious. But it just goes to show that even in the easy module, the hard questions are not going to be so bad. But if you are hitting some hard ones, maybe a couple before this that slowed you down, well, then you've got to find a way to prioritize your time better. You want to get to something like this. It's geometry, but it's pretty straightforward, so you don't want to run out of time without having gotten to this question. There might be stuff later that you don't worry about getting to because it's harder, but try as you get to the end of a module to really just pick the questions that are going to get you the most points. It's all about maximizing correct answers, so spend your time where you're going to get the most correct answers.